Hi guys, Jamara here, and today I will be playing Animal Jam, as you can see right here. And like I said, this is my new main character. It used to be... hang on. That one. It used to be that one, but now it's this one. My sis kind of has a YouTube account too. It's kind of cool. I recommend you guys to watch it really, but she really doesn't want to, you know. That was my sis, by the way, guys. And this is my Christmas fridge. I probably had a long time ago. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to decorate dens. Now, I need to buy a new den, but I would think of actually going in one of my old dens and changing that. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'll see you guys right in a second. Yes, guys, this is the den I am going to change. It was supposed to be my shop den, but I can't really type, as you can see. And yeah, you're guessing, why can't you type? Well, now you know that I'm too young. And yes, if you want any of these and you play Animal Jam, my name is Emily77002. I am not going to tell you my password, even if you guys try forcing me, I am not. No. So yeah, let's get right into it. Guys, we're gonna start with all these, since it is supposed to be a Happy New Year. Oh, guys, I forgot to say to you in every video, Happy New Year! It's not gonna be sound, because I need to focus on decorating my den, and yeah, no sound.
Yeah, right said. I'll find one. You find one in. I don't know. I'll get off one on. I don't know why. Market bro. Try going in before people come. You're too slow in the game now. You should have joined as soon as I pressed on control. I just did! I did! I said I was joining now, no need.
Oh, guys, that's just my sis. Don't mind. She's talking to a BF.
Why didn't you go upstairs in the video? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Guys, this is what it looks like so far. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on decorating.
I can't even kill anyone. Why didn't you go on the menu and then when it says join season, it's telling me to click it.
Oh, someone just joined my den, guys. He's added me. Well, I'm gonna carry on with decorating my den.
And that was up to 23. I smell food.
Guys, this is my den so far, but I am going to talk to him. Bye, guys. 1 second, I'll pause. Guys, I am back in with decorating my den now. So, yeah. Guys, that is it. Comments down below if you like it. I don't really mind if you don't like it because I don't really have much of the stuff. And yeah, I missed a couple of presents. Don't mind me. I missed like about 4 free. But yeah, I'll be talking to him for a sec. Be right back. Guys, since I have a little more time, I am going to trade with some people and see if people trade with me, and yeah, you can watch if you want to. Wow, this is awesome.
No, it's really dumb.
Oh, that's adorable. Cute.
Sorry. This.
Some people just put masterpieces in their trays so then they can show them off and make people love them more, and yes. Trade them for good stuff, probably. You could buy that in the party. I think the party might be shut. I don't know. I don't know really for sure. Oh, there's more masterpiece. Wow. What lies ahead is mine to discover. The cat girl.
You can join.
Flower petal egg.
Oh, no,
Camilla.
no.
That's adorable.
So cool.
I wish I could really paint like that, but I'm not really a good painter. Oh, guys, it's time to end the video, so see you in one. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Thumbs up.